Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix right leg keeps loading forever in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select as. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path used in my video, copy and paste it. After pasting it, press enter. In here you need to delete all folders except work folder and new folder. You just need to delete except work folder and new folder guys. Just right click on it and select delete it. Select yes. Right click on it and select delete. Select yes. Right click on it and select delete and select yes. Just leave these two folders. After that you just need to close it off here and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.